I'm going to show you how to find the gradient function and draw it on your calculator. So we go to menu and graph, and then here is that we'll put in our equation x squared minus 4x, and then in the second line we're going to choose option here, calc here, and we want the first differentiation here. And in here we want to differentiate y1. So we choose y and 1. And then here we're going to say x because we want it to show us the gradient function. So for every point, okay? Now this is what it would look like. There's the curve and there's the gradient function. Don't get mixed up, but that's not a tangent to anything. This is the gradient function. So for example, for any point on the curve, I can find the gradient. So for example, if I go to 0, the gradient is -4, which corresponds, if I look at a line like that, would be a negative gradient. Say I want the gradient at 5. If I go up there to see the gradient is 6, that's very steep, and that's a positive gradient. Say I want the gradient here, whoops, I can see this is going to be positive and these are going to be negative. So this is the gradient function, okay? Not to be confused with any particular tangent. It's the gradient function which gives us the gradient at any point on this curve.